kitchen with my sister Gloria about 2.5 years ago. Who doesn't love French toast like that? We were inspired by the Taiwanese honey toast. We would decorate it with all various ice creams, Pocky sticks, because we grew up eating Pocky sticks, mochi, some fresh fruit, so it's still healthy. And then it became the cube toast. We have 5 different flavors of cube toast on the menu. With a candle and a serenade, of course. We make the red bean in-house. We actually also make all of our brioche bread fresh in-house every day. Our bakery is attached to Double Chin. We're open till 4 a.m. on the weekends, so definitely come by and check us out.